So that's my order of Mega Mystery Mix Summer Box. So I just received a mystery box from Hollander Bulb Farms. There's this little bag in here with lots and lots of bulb. Right now, the first bulb I got, it was 25 bulbs of Iron Cross or 4-leaf Good Luck plant. And the second one that I opened come in this little bag, and it says 25 bulbs are mixed buttercup ranunculus, and it has the information on how to plant the depth and the height and all that. So the next one, let me put this aside. So here is how it came. And the next one, hope I get Dhalias. That's what I mostly hope for. White Gladiolus. And there are 30 bulbs of white. And they said they were going to send 106 bulbs. So let's see. Here, another one, 12 bulbs of Gladiolous Helvética. And the next one. All those other boxes. This other one here. 10 bulbs of Stargazer Lily Bulbs Jumbo Pack. And then there's 2 more left. This one is Canna. Canna. This last one is a Dahlia, but it looks like it's a Canna as well. Let's see. This one is Treetop Scarlet Apricot